Hey everybody, this is Tasha, your Director of Social Marketing, and today we are going to create a Craigslist ready ad using the Marketing Flyers section of Broker Agent Admin. So the first thing you need to do once you've logged into Broker Admin is click into the Marketing section. And once you get into Marketing, if you've never created a flyer before, it's quite simple. What you're going to do is click on Flyers as soon as it loads up here. And you'll see I have a list of flyers because I've created them before. If you don't, you're just going to click the Create button. And once you click on Create, it's going to ask you to select a template. There are 5 templates to choose from, so you can create 5 different looks for your flyer to post on Craigslist 5 different days a week without being dinged for having a duplicate ad. Okay, so I'm going to go with, say for example, this flyer here. And then I'm going to click the Next button. And all it's going to ask you to do on the next page is to enter the MLS number of that property. And when you do that, assuming that you enter your MLS number correctly, let me enter that, press go. It's going to tell you data has been fetched successfully. Here it is here. And what it's going to do then is replace all the dummy text with the proper photos, text, etc. from your MLS listing. Okay? So the first thing that you want to do is double check that everything's correct. Mine says Flyer 4 here because it's going to let you choose a title, so you can change that if you want, 123 Main Street or whatever the property is, whatever you want to say about it. And then make sure that the information it pulled from the MLS is correct. For example, I wouldn't necessarily want this to say residential. Maybe I type in some information about the property. Same thing, instead of it saying active, maybe I type in another bullet point. So make sure everything here looks correct to you. Maybe a 6,000 square foot property, you never know. Just make sure that the data matches up. And once you're happy with it, you've made whatever changes you need to, you're excited with the way it looks, you're ready to go to Craigslist, what you're going to do is, in the formatting buttons, select the button that says HTML. When you click on that, it's going to open up a pop-up window for you. And in the pop-up window, it's going to show all the HTML code that makes up this advertisement. So once that window opens up and is loaded, what I want you to do is click anywhere within the box, hit Control A to select all, and then Control C to copy. Then you can go ahead and close that. Then what you're going to do is go into your Craigslist account, and you're going to post a new ad wherever you'd like to post it, and then follow the questions: what type of housing is it, real estate for sale, etc. So we're housing offered, real estate by broker on the next page, and if you're in San Diego, it's going to ask you what area of San Diego County is the posting in. And then when you get to the actual posting interface, what you're going to do is just paste all of that HTML code in the posting description. So clicked into my posting description box, and then Control V is going to paste all of that. You don't need to do anything else. So fill out the rest of your information, the posting title, decide whether to show, hide, or anonymize your email address, add, edit images, fill out the other boxes, and when you're ready, click the Continue button. Now remember, in Internet Explorer, it's going to bring up a text box for you here, and you're going to select either yes or no. You'll know if you selected the wrong thing because the pictures aren't going to show up. So a long question like this, you're going to click no, short question, click yes. Click the wrong thing, it's not a huge deal. And then when I scroll down, there's my ad just like that, ready for me to post. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at socialmarketing@century21award or look me up during Facebook office hours. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day.